Great day, Achiever, and welcome to day 5 of this 10-day calm meditation. You're at the halfway point. You have shown up this week and you have did what you needed to do. And it takes a lot of effort to do that, to do something new, to step outside of your comfort zone. And with that, I say I applaud you, and I am so happy to be a part of your journey. And for today's meditation, we're going to focus on self-observation and self-awareness. Now let's get started. I'm Tracie Osborne, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Now, before we get started, I would like you to get in a space of comfort, a position of comfort, whatever comfort means to you. That is the best position for you. And number 3, to close your eyes. All right? Now, let's get started. Gently close your eyes or bring your eyes to a soft gaze. And I want you to imagine that you just entered an empty room. And as you look around and observe this room, you see nothing. Nothing but empty walls. And in this room, there's no judgment, there's no expectation, and there's no comparison or any premeditated thoughts. There are no rules in this room. And anything that happened preceding this room, I will kindly ask you to leave it at the door. This room is unique to you. You can create anything that you want in this room. This room has no limits. It's boundless. And I would like you to stay in this room during this meditation. And bring all of your attention to the tip of your nose. And be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And observe the air. Is it thick? Is it thin? Is it going through one nostril or both nostrils? When the air goes in, does the temperature change for when it comes out? And as you're observing, do not try to control your breath. If you're breathing fast, breathe fast. If you're breathing slow, breathe slow. You're just observing. If any thoughts arise, if I'm doing this right or if I'm doing this wrong, just be aware of them and be aware of how it makes you feel. And just observe that feeling for a couple seconds and then bring your attention back to the tip of your nose. And be aware of the air as it goes in and out. And as you observe, do you feel the air or are you sensing the air going in and out of your nose? And as you're observing, I would like you to count to 5 on each exhale. So when you take a breath in and out, that's 1. And just count to the natural rhythm of your breath. And now I would like you to bring your attention to your shoulders. Drop your shoulders, release the tension in your shoulders. And just be aware of the air as it goes in and out in the movement that your shoulders make. And if any thoughts arise, if you're doing this right or wrong, just be aware of it and focus on how it's making you feel internally for a couple seconds. And now just bring your attention back to your shoulders. want us to move your attention to your chest and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. Be aware of the movement that your chest makes as the air goes in and out. Do not control it, just observe it. And if any thoughts arise from the past, just be aware of it. It's okay. Just bring your attention back to the tip, back to your chest. And be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. And if you keep losing focus, that is okay. There's no judgment in this room, and there's no right or wrong in this room. When you notice it, just bring your attention back to your chest and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. And what happens? What movement happens when air goes in and out of your chest? And make sure to keep your shoulders relaxed. And on each exhale, I would like you to count to 5 and keeping your attention on your chest. So when you breathe in and you breathe out, that's 1. Starting now. And if any thoughts arise of how much longer is this meditation going to be, or how long is it going to take, that's all right. Be aware and observe the way it makes you feel without labeling, without judging, without attaching to the thought. Just for a couple seconds, and then bring your attention back to your chest and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. And starting to count up to 5 now on each exhale. And as this meditation comes to a close, I want you to take 3 deep breaths. On the inhale, we're going to breathe in calm. And on the exhale, we're going to let go. Just imagine a body of water. When it gets to a rock, it finds its way around, whether to the left, to the right, or over it. It just keeps flowing. Here we go. Take a deep breath in, filling your chest with air, bringing up your shoulders, and breathe in calm. And now exhale, let go. Let go of your shoulders, let go of your chest, let go of any tension or any worry. Take a big deep breath in of calm, bringing up your shoulders, bringing up your chest, filling your chest with air and filling your stomach with air. And now exhale, let go of any worry, any judgment. Let go. Last time, inhale, calm, fill that chest and your stomach with calm. And let go of any worry, any tension, any uncomfortable feeling, any anxiety. Let go of your shoulders and let go of your chest. And take a couple normal conscious breaths. And when you are ready, you may open your eyes. And you have just completed day 5. And remember, there's no judgment in this room, there's no expectation in this room, and there's no comparison. The experience that you had was the best experience for you. And this room, this empty room, is always available to you. It's within. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or any questions, please leave it in the comments. Bye for now.